Ever sat down to watch just one episode of Star Trek or Survivor on Paramount Plus, only to find yourself 3 episodes deep at 2 a.m. because the next episode just automatically started playing? You're not alone. I'm Elliot from McCrunch, and in the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off Paramount Plus Autoplay on your iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. Plus why this simple setting can save you up to 40% on your mobile data and give you back control of your viewing habits. Here's what we're working with today. I'll be testing on iPhone running iOS 17, iPad with iPadOS 17, and Android running Android 14. I'm using the latest Paramount Plus app version as of October 2025. Now, here's something important. Paramount Plus actually updates their interface regularly, so you might see slight variations in menu names depending on your app version. I'll show you multiple pathways to find this setting, and if one doesn't work, we've got alternatives. Safety note, this only affects the device you're using. Settings don't sync across devices. We'll get into why that matters in just a moment. Step 1, launch Paramount Plus first things first. Open the Paramount Plus app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't updated the app recently, this is a good time to do that from your App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2, navigate to Profile. Once you're in the app, look for your profile. On most versions, you'll see a person icon or profile text at the bottom of your screen in the navigation bar. Tap that to access your account settings. Note, some users report seeing different interface layouts, which is why Paramount Plus sometimes tests different designs. If you don't see a clear profile option, look for a gear icon or more menu. Step 3, access settings. Inside your profile screen, look for settings. This might be listed as account settings or just settings depending on your app version. You'll typically find it listed among your account options. According to our research across multiple app versions, this should be prominently displayed. Step 4, find autoplay controls. Here's where it gets interesting. Different app versions place autoplay in different locations. In some versions, you'll see general settings with autoplay underneath. In others, it might be directly under settings as autoplay or under video settings. Let me show you both pathways. Path A, settings, general settings, autoplay. Path B, settings, video, autoplay. Path C, settings, autoplay, direct. The toggle should show when autoplay is currently enabled, usually blue or colored to the right. Step 5, disable autoplay. When you tap that toggle, it should change from enabled, colored, and positioned right to disabled, grayed out, or positioned left. You'll see immediate visual confirmation. That's it. The setting takes effect immediately, so test it by finishing an episode to see if the next one starts automatically. Now here's the crucial part that trips up most users, and this comes directly from user feedback across Reddit and support forums. Your autoplay setting is specific to each device. If you watch on your iPhone and your iPad, you need to disable it on both devices separately. Why? Streaming platforms like Paramount Plus store these preferences locally on each device rather than syncing them across your account. This is actually common across most streaming services, and while it can be frustrating, it means you can have different viewing experiences on different devices. All sources and references used in this video are linked in the description below, including the mobile data usage research, streaming platform user studies, and the complete troubleshooting guide. If this helped you take control of your Paramount Plus viewing experience, hit that like button. It really helps others find these tutorials. For more streaming app masterclasses and data-saving tips, subscribe to MacCrunch and hit the notification bell. Drop a comment below if you want me to cover autoplay settings for Netflix, Disney Plus, or any other streaming platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.